Hi everyone. So yes, I'd like to thank Fanny for your help. I was also helped by DTI fellow Nadia, who is going to continue helping me until this class starts. I have a landing page with buttons. We all have buttons now. This is great, and fairly simple interface for the students. But let me tell you what this course is even about. So it's a fall quarter core requisite of Chem 1A, which is a general chemistry class. It's a 2-unit pass no pass class. It's a 3 hours of what meant to be an active learning instruction in ALP. And then it was offered in 2019 for the first time, and it was shown to improve the grades for the students. So this is This is a percent on common final before this class, and this is after. So it was a slight improvement, and we hope to improve it further. And my problem is that I have never taught this class, so that complicates it a little bit. So what I came up with is a synchronous repetitive structure. So we are going to meet live during the designated class time. So I'm a big fan of Poll Everywhere, so I'm using it extensively. And then every Friday, I'm going to have a quiz, and all the quizzes are going to add up to the majority of the score, and the final exam will be optional. There will be pre-class mini quizzes, discussion forums, and electronic homework, and some extra credit. And students get to see this. Monday, Wednesday, Friday lecture. This is what you have to do before Monday. This is what you have to do before Wednesday. This is what you have to do before Friday. This is what you have to do on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and that some leftovers during the weekend. Okay, so what I've learned, first of all, it takes a lot longer to plan and design a remote course. I would say maybe a factor of 3 to 4 longer. And for me, programming Canvas assignments is especially time consuming. I'm a big fan of Gradescope as well, but the Gradescope also takes a long time to plan. I find it was critical to invest in good software. So, learning Canvas, and I bought Camtasia. I'm very happy with this. Started User on Zoom, updated the software, and then hardware, a good camera, good microphone, large screen pads for writing, and computers. If I could afford it, I would buy one of these transparent boards, but the size I want is $6,000, and I just don't have the money for it. And then it was really helpful to listen to what everyone has been doing. It was, and this session is also very helpful. I learned a lot of tricks. The rubric, so we went through the self-assessment. This was very useful for me because it helped me fix deficiencies in the course design. And I always use modules in Canvas, but now my modules are even more linear and organized. So I'm going to show you how they look like. So there is a module for TAs, just for administrative handling. It's not visible to the students. There is a module for week 0 with the course information, explaining how it's going to go, and it's set up so that the students have to complete this module before they can move on to the next one. There is a syllabus quiz in it somewhere, and so on. And then each week is repetitive. So there is a, very similar to Rachel. So there is a goals for each module. There is a to-do list for Monday, and then a quiz that they have to take before the class, and then a lecture note. I put lecture notes in there, but I will replace it with my live lecture notes later. Then Wednesday, same pre-quiz, lecture notes. Then Friday quiz. This is discussion is ending here, homework, and then week 2 is the same, and every week is the same. So it's a little repetitive for the students, but I think it's easier for them to remember deadlines this way. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to say. And then Fanny helped me to insert a piazza right in here, and then did a lot of coding for this class, for which I'm very thankful. So that's really all I wanted to share.